Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to find your battery life and battery details. So I'm gonna use CMD for purpose. Go to start menu, type start CMD and run it as admin and click yes to confirm. After that this window will open, then you have to type, this is not actually the command, I will provide you in the description and subtitle as well. So type that command and after that press enter. For those of you who are new to our channel, kindly subscribe and like, share, comments. Here's the command and we'll press enter. Now it will show you that the file is pasted on this link. Then you have open any explorer and paste the command and then you get these details. All of your battery life, battery cycle, etc. Thanks for watching. God bless us all. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.